Another tragedy has struck the hills of Uttarakhand. A sudden cloudburst in the catchment area of the Kher Ganga river has triggered massive flash floods and landslides in Dharali village of Uttarkashi. 4 people have died and over 50 are missing. The horrifying visuals show a strong stream of water rushing down from the hills, washing away homes and everything in its path. People were seen screaming, running for safety as nature showed its most violent face. The Uttarakhand police and rescue teams are working round the clock. SDRF and NDRF are on ground. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has said that the situation is being closely monitored. But one big question is being raised again. Why do such disasters keep hitting Uttarakhand? The truth is, this is not new. Uttarakhand has been suffering from nature's fury for years now. The most painful memory goes back to 2013. A cloudburst near Kedarnath led to one of the worst floods in Indian history. Thousands died, entire villages disappeared, and the holy town of Kedarnath was almost destroyed. That incident shook the entire country. Then came the Chamoli disaster in 2021. A part of the Nanda Devi glacier broke off, causing a flash flood in the Rishi Ganga river. Power projects were destroyed, lives were lost, and once again questions were raised on development in fragile hill areas. The pattern has been repeating in almost every monsoon. The state sees landslides, cloudbursts, and floods. Roads collapse, river overflow, and rescue operations become the norm. Places like Rudraprayag, Pithoragarh, Bageshwar and Nainital have been facing the brunt of these natural calamities. Experts say that the rapid construction, deforestation and careless tourism are major reasons. The mountains are being cut, rivers are being squashed and nature is responding in the only way it can. Many studies have warned that the Himalayas are ecologically very sensitive, but we continue to ignore the warnings. The current situation in Uttarkashi is heartbreaking. Families have been separated, people have lost their homes, animals are missing, and the rainfall is still continuing. The IMD has issued a real alert for extremely heavy rainfall. People are being advised to stay away from rivers and landslide-prone areas. It's time we start treating nature with respect. Uttarakhand is Devbhoomi, but how long can we call it that if we don't respect it? How many more warnings do we need? How many more lives will be lost before we take climate change and overconstruction seriously? The beauty of the mountains hides a deep pain, and until we act, this pain will keep returning year after year.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.